Akesi me de ba Adom TV so Adom TV so bejenjime die so dia we kan si on sempa isa kenan no pan so ja me de Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo Wallace agudie crutch back up the only nomenclature the professor's degree in sports the Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and medicine kunya na me kono kwanten kode small do isa kenan no pan so biu e wo Ghana agudim eja wo shane so ma me say Richuku me patcho Richuku yi wait within so you abo wait within so share so abo ye waketo ayi wadentem na afie obodan no start your day na ebetua san anore show na abo manema etua san ku Richuku ebo ma start your day no in a Ghanaian way game park games so the chacha so kwetua san ba boys dia edi no enya sam keto akra the eagerly anticipated pick one game no arrival with the bank but more the other so do betua san gym na mess no 1 to 36 utimi nya right there na say ohwese na setansi kwa obetua to 1 Ghana cedis an kopem be 350 Ghana cedis obetua win 26 times to stake no na amazing pick one game no ebetia boa amaniama etia kwedi amount dial star 946# star 946# na FIFA ho gym na moa obetia ko www.gameparkgames.com na phone pen 14 cedis so honum eno pa ho draw no eba so anopa 9 am na 12 no wiakata bansu netimi samba na 6 pm ti wendi na anopa obetia de wia wendi wia so a obetimi edi anwumere afekwa obetia de anopa de wia san de anwumere asan de apeso mesre wa game park games emomula more power game we regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana Tiana also the whole tian sajin but ya fa dwene kakra to insan se bet diwa wa dwene ebetia bomutim betia hyehye weni kura betia purunsu na ekoko enti ya na ode adwene kakra etia to we mu any sponsors no emu toturu to ni twetwe mota kira boa emena no pede a we can see on sempa ensa kan 8 majam yenja se mfa fi EPL English Premier League matches Saudi 20 PM Tottenham Hotspur transfer Chelsea twome kapole and 9 omteka no ba ko pe Tinesa EPL ni PM hono no but yenko UEFA Champions League ene nyame adoma enwumre matches na ebetua san ba so say kama oba Adom 106.3 FM na Sempa 94.7 FM a the live commentaries no enso betua san bro ba to hwe fishes a etua san to FM na se benika e wodwumede no so etua san PP nitino yenko mu na afihwe ene Tuesday Dortmund Newcastle United beshi kan Shakhtar Donetsk beto se da fe Barcelona AC Milan PSG beshi kan Atletico Madrid ene Celtic beshi kan afin so krano Grezvina Zvezda wo so eto se da fe RB Leipzig no beshi kan FC Porto ene Antwerp beshi kan afin so Lazio ene final at the boss Manchester City ene Young Boys ene dia kensi ne ebetia boss we a Tuesday UEFA Champions League game and also ebetia sabaso chene bibetia sa to aso batenede no ana ya pone kakra e dia ma yentom e wo CAF Women's Champions League no ana Atletico Club di Abidjan wo ene team from say SC Casablanca omo bo 1 enra ana Sakins kese team top fam ana fe JKT Queens omo so transfer Mamelodi Sundowns of South Africa omo ma no ebitwa maka mi no matimi ante ana fe so Asfar Rabat for omo so transfer ampem da kwa from Ghana etwam 2-1 e was Sakins kese team to joinim afi Hurricanes ene AS Monday enso ebo 1-1 Ghana next game no bibia bitwam ye ne ampem da kwa ladies ebeton se da fe AS Monday for na omo da kensi ne etiapem so we CAF Women's Champions League and also 8 years out of FMT BDH ya de honkomo no so etian but comfort yeboa of ampem da kwa ladies so no and you vote to say woman of the match against Asfar club for no ewa kensi kesi etian to jom abawe etu nanum tu
Maniji say really.
She's very happy that we've won. Yeah.
Oh, so now tell us about the match. How was it for her? How was like everything for her?
Ose match na nkasa na etese ma o sen na uno.
Na enye easy sa na mu adre ba fight say be win match no.
It wasn't easy at all. It was such a difficult match, but we fought and then we were able to win.
And for at last, what were the coach's instructions during the game, and was it all was everything good?
Oh, that's all. Besides, coach, you know, ugina hono instruction no de mamo eye nsema no oka echemu na eya na se eboa mo na
eboa e ko dressing room kasa e kama say second half e me prove o mo wrong.
It helped a lot, especially when we went to the dressing room. The coach spoke to us and then he assured us that we can do it, so we should go out and do it. Okay. And it helped us.
Nti comfort yeboa aneton Ghana kasa twi kasa no ewo la Côte d'Ivoire for sheso na Côte d'Ivoire for no e de sa Women's Championship precursor the preparation say African Cup of Nations 2024 host to a feeding no the testing home konia banti enra wotim sampa comfortable ginidin power interpreter ugina nchen afie bisan bofuno country na echirase a nese Ghana ekwa pa na yetitom ewosana community team a enra Ghana Premier League a standing game back with from Great Olympics the Wonder Club womo 8 me echen surataman etwam 2-1 ewosaka kins kese but ara wo sembi tiensa piemu Emra Kensi ni tiensa koso na bese about some few minutes to the game no na insum eldue kane na also a enso players ne se da bi omuntimi santo Kensi ni so emu boni akoma hwese na nema esi koso Accra Sports Stadium.
Held in check, nicely done by Kekeliato. Yes, Eric Osebunsu playing against his former club. It's a long throw in. And then done by Ajekum. It's a chance for Iswatraman and it's the first goal. Against the run of play, 14 minutes gone. Pressure has been on Accra Great Olympics. And it's Rahman.
What a ball that was. Just came out of nothing and against the run of play from that throw from Bonsu, flicked onto the path of Rahman and just on the half volley, just blast that past Benjamin Setre. First time Great Olympics are conceding at home and it looks so unusual for them. But then what about that for a celebration? Their defense has been breached and it's Rahman.
He's got options. Threads in the cross into the 18-yard box. Good turn by Prince. And eventually cleared out. Abeya Shikwe now. Decent cross. Afaju comes out and fits that away. Rodney Appiah sets up the pass now. Isaac still down that right. Can he get in the cross? He manages to do so a bit too strong. But Michael Osei waits for it and gets a lovely turn by Michael. Tries to put in Swatreman Football Club 1. Nicely controlled and then the quick turn and shot. Let's see what kind of options will come for Accra Great Olympics. Oh! Inch perfect. Immaculate. Dead on target. And he announces his presence in this game with a much-needed equalizing goal. Emmanuel Echi on target for Accra Great Olympics. Gets them back into the game.
Impeccable free kick from Echi. Inch perfect, sweetly delivered. And Afaju was just left, ball watching. He just couldn't do anything about it. But then the delivery, the technique, the swerve, the curl on the ball, everything perfectly done. And Emmanuel Echi gets the equalizer for Great Olympics.
Razak Kasim has other ideas. Esagama. Oh, pushed on is a bit too far. Oh, he missed. But another opportunity. And Accra Great Olympics, they will bury it with ease. And that might be the tonic that Accra Great Olympics needed. Emmanuel Echi, dead on target.
See, let's say Accra Sports Stadium, the Oli Daddy boys. I go so no multi change that I might come 2-1. But under darkness and our boss Akins Kessi Tivensa 2 Jano. Game Park games at the pick one game net but more than that so do between Jimmy Sans arrival with the bank and upon one from 1 to 30 so between Salete numbers no not already for the excitement. It made the numbers to from na say Onama Nedia na Okono, but more than that, between 1 Ghana cedis and copying 350 Ghana cedis. Waiting really 26 times to take out with me the 2 hono. An amazing pick one game in one dancing a medemano. Dial star 946 hash, star 946 hash, all networks. Now, with your website, and so say gamepargames.com. Now, for them paying 14 days. Also, live draw on about Adom TV, so at 9 a.m., 12 noon, and at 6 p.m. daily, and at 28 by Game Park Games. So, say more mula, more power. National Authority from paying for 30. You need to tramp, so I am found him. Is as a chatty duer. I've been a bit in a book, Timbetia, she when you grab it in Prusu, and Siana or found Hadrian or home. Now, feel so quite rich or cool. Catcher that say, oh, start to dinner right. Dia a richuku no ketwa ho anafe adentemo anafe bodena kasa ho no betime twene fam dia kofi na abusua matia sabobo odi so hye bo eye odi so nyuso bo eye na we no omse 2 in 1 na so hwem dia e be 7 in 1 crisis milk anafe so kwa sugar esawo afe vanilla wo flavoring itese niam ewu no endos dodo bo modern da se on sabetia ka be richuku boy dwuma too much certificate bia beboa e ma niam etia to idi ma we mo ne sponsors a wo mo touch the men no penso dia wo kensi won sempa saka timijao within the profit ki wala sa gudi catch back open am of course evidence based sports and t-shirt mijao me adoma ko ebina na ka kire sa de bro se die me catch no se catch abusuafo na fofo oyere oma wo fasefo na nanom ukunu no plafo ina sa Adom TV igina so peme e so etwa dwumade ne gu enti obia nkoso antra fidi na chi na hwese na nema esi eko ha be de ha be de kanika the act of being a good guest